the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. You open up a beer and you say get over here and play your video game.
Four. 1, 2, 6, 7. Exercise.
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
4, 5. That does not even.
It's looking a bit crazy. But yeah. You let me inside your mind.
Protect the ball, then.
You made me feel what's inside of me. And when I look around, everything seems so familiar. You let me get close enough to reach what's within. Again. I'm yours forever and more. Can you see me falling for you? I'm gonna go and meet the sheep. Oh, the gate's open, so they're just roaming around. Hey, Daisy baby. Hey.
I got a flower for you.
You're not giving me the flower anymore. Thank you. You're so sweet. Chivalry's not dead. Then there are carrots, onions. It's Puka. I'm about to make dinner. We're gonna have hamburgers and fries for dinner today. I was just busy helping my brother with the baby coat. It looks so cute. Have a new baby at home. I don't know if I should get the air fryer I think I should, just so I work in the kitchen.
Ready here too. Air fryers.
Love memes. This is a Hayden air fryer. It's so cute. I actually saw they have it in blue on their website. I don't know if they still have it. I wanted to get it in this color actually, this exact one. Then I saw the blue one, so I think that's the one I'm gonna get. I usually like putting this salt before I put the chips in the air fryer, or even when I make oven fries, and then we air fry. How long? 20 minutes is long for fries. 15 minutes. And then some hamburgers, cheese. Maybe I should make some caramelized onions for the burgers.
Butter.
Let's break the butter.
Break the butter.
Take some butter. Okay, that's enough. And then spread the butter. Thank you.
I feel like it's hard to spread.
Is it hard?
I feel like
It's not hard, Google. You can do it, no?
yeah. Oh, it's actually easy.
Right? You see?
Yeah.
If you believe it's easy. To the camera. Finally, most. I'm craving scones today, so we're gonna bake. It smells so good. Taste. So good. I say this every time after I make scones. I'm like, I think these are my best, but I genuinely think these are my best. These are the best scones I've ever made. At this point, I'm ready to start a scone business. You know, just guys, very baguette. It's so nice. Oh, it's so fluffy. on the inside, but it's also so rich. Oh, Daniel, do you want to taste? Okay, my brother's gonna taste. Meeting the baby tomorrow. How cute!
The baby's coming tomorrow.
The baby's coming tomorrow. Guys, how cute! My brother set up these balloons for the new baby. It's a girl. How cute!
I think
So cute. All done, lovelies. We're going apartment viewing. I'm so excited.
These old buildings, you know, the ones in Leicester Road there.
Yes.
Suggested.
How are you? Thank you.
Few people.
So spacious.
Yes, your lovely kitchen. You've got a big fridge. You like salt. So now what? You can see in this
Yes, I'm already thinking about what
open for you.
Oh.
Yes, and from here.
There's no.
But all the gyms are within walking distance. You walk, yes, you just
Yeah,
walk around the
I saw
corner.
that, yeah.
You go in the underground parking.
Okay, loveys, we're done viewing. I'm so conflicted. I read two. The only reason I'm conflicted is because I like two different aesthetics. So it's either clean girl modern or quaint countryside wooden floors. You know, just cottage core vibe. And we're at the mall now, by the way. We just went to a random mall to get some food, and one apartment is super modern and the other one is just very old school, but it's more spacious, because the thing about old apartments is that they have wooden floors but they're super spacious, and it's literally the same amount, so that's a good thing. Guys, this is the chicken coop. The chickens are gonna come, but I'm probably gonna show you guys the chickens when I come back the next time. But those are the little cages. There are gonna be a lot of chickens.
yeah.
And then we're gonna come and get some eggs in the morning. Yay! Today is quite sunny. I am leaving the farm. I've been here for 2 weeks, I think. Got to do my lashes. This strip of 8 or 10 millimeter for my inner lashes. And then I got these. These are from my cousin, Tiamo. That's why they're a little bit messy, but I just asked her to borrow me because I left most of my lashes and beauty equipment. But yeah, love memes. Rewatching Desperate Housewives. I'm gonna be using this lash glue. I got it from, I forgot the name of the shop, but it's similar to a Value Co. Love beams. This is the best lash glue I've ever used. It doesn't irritate my eye at all. I usually do, I think this is 10 millimeter. Maybe I'm gonna use 3. Yeah, 3 or 4, and then I'm gonna go in with a 12 and then a 13 for that cat eye effect. I've been having such a wonderful time at the farm. I think it's kind of bittersweet that I'm leaving now because I've been here for so long, but I have a lot of things that I need to do before I move in to my new apartment. So I just want to go sort out my life basically.